Hey, Susan Berkley here with the Inside Voiceover Video Training Blog, and this week the topic is nervousness. This is something people don't talk a lot about. You're supposed to be cool and not admit that your palms are sweating, you feel like you're nauseous, your heart is beating. You know, it can happen. It's called speech fright, and what's going on is you have a temporary overabundance of the stress hormones flowing through your bloodstream, and that's why you can get all of those nasty symptoms. Well, the thing to ask yourself is, why am I getting like this in the first place? Because it's not natural. It's short-lived, but it shouldn't be happening to you. So let's talk a little bit about that. My mentor, Dr. Norberto Kepi, down in Brazil, he says that the number one reason that people get speech fright is because by speaking, what happens is we become suddenly conscious that we don't know as much as we thought we did, because action breeds awareness. It's awareness that we're imperfect, that we have flaws, that we have errors. And so this is a little tough for people to see, and that's one of the reasons you can get stressed. The other reason is, now check this out, narcissism. Now, you might be thinking, I'm not narcissistic. Well, what we mean by narcissism is actually you're focused on yourself rather than the client or the product. So your mind is thinking, what if I screw up? Ooh, I said it that way. Oh, I didn't mean to read it that way. I. That makes you extremely nervous. So the cure for that is to take the focus off of yourself and back onto that invisible other person that you're talking to on the other side of the microphone, and increase your focus on the product and all the mental imagery. And I promise you that those things will make you much more relaxed and comfortable behind the mic. Hope that's helpful. Back next week with more Inside Voiceover.